Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about adding solution for the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. If you're interested in the 405, the link to it will be in the video description. So this vacuum is a mopping robot that washes and cleans itself. That being said, there's no built-in solution compartment or anything like that. And iRobot only approves their own BravaJet solution. You can see an image of it, hopefully on the screen right here. So that's the solution you're going to get if you want to use it. And their instructions consist of taking an empty clean water tank, adding 400 milliliters of the approved BravaJet solution in here, then filling it up to that max line with clean water, and then you can reinstall the tank. Or your other option is to not use solution, or you risk warranty, voiding the warranty and all of that. So just proceed if you want to use your own cleaning solution at your own risk. Just know that potentially in the future, long term, that could affect your warranty if something would happen, and they could trace it back to the solution you were using. So if you want to use cleaning solution, they have the iRobot BravaJet option for you. Just add 400 milliliters to the tank and then fill this up. You want to do the solution first so it can be mixed in to the clean water tank to help it disperse all throughout versus be really concentrated in the area if you just dump it like right up at the top, right? So anyways, keep that in mind. Use their solution or no solution or risk warranty voiding.